Alright, it's time for the solutions for the dot plot assignment. So some of the things I'm already going to have like written up and ready to go. For example, on these first ones, you need to go at least from 0 to 10 on your number lines. You can go lower or higher than that, but you have to have 0 to 10. Because what you're going to do is you're going to figure out how many zeros there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're going to put x's above each of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can put dots instead of x's if you want to. See, 1 has 1, and looks like there's 0 2's. So let's move on to 3. There's 1, 3, 1, 3. Number of 4's, we got 1, 2, 3 4's. 1, 2, 3. 5's, let's see, there's 1 5, and there's only 1 5, and then you go to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 6's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the 7's, there's 1, 2, 3 7's, 1, 2, 3, and then 8's, there's 1, 8, 9's, we have 1, 2 9's, 1, 2, and then 10's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10's. Enjoy your x's to match up. And that one has to have one more. And so there's your dot plot. You can put dots, or you can put the x's, whatever you need to on your dot plot. Moving on to the next one, starting with 0 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's 1, 2 1's. And there's 1, 2 2's. And there are 1, 2, 3 3's. And there are no 4's and no 5's. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 6's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, I squished some of those. And then 7's 1, 2, 3 7's. And I totally put this entire stack in the wrong spot. Here, let me move those over. Those are all the 6's. There we go. Alright, number of 8's, looks like there's 1, 2 8's. Number of 9's, I see no 9's, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10's. Okay, and that should work. Alright, moving on to number 3. Again, you have to figure out how many there are of each of these. It looks like there's zeros, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 1, 2, 3 2's. 1, 2, 3. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 3's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4, see, 4's. There includes 1, 2, 3, 4 4's. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 5's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 6's, there are 1, 2 of those. And then the 7's, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 7's. And then 8's, there's 1, 8. 9's, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 9's. 6. And then tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And that brings us to number 4. Again, you have to figure out how many there are of each of the numbers, so just start counting them off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. I'll start that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos. Oh, there's another 2 over here, so there's 6 twos. And there's 1, 2, 3 threes. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fours. 1, 2, 4, 5 of those. And there's 1, 2, 3 fives. And there's 1, 2, 3 sixes. And then sevens, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then eights, there's 1, 8. Nines, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. So there you go. There's your beginning dot plots. And when you get down to the next part, you need to pull the information off of your dot plot and get your data set from it. So if I were writing this data set down, I see there's 4 zeros. And there's 2 ones, and there's 3 twos, and 4 fours, and there's a 5, and there's a 6, and a 7, and 4 eights, 1 9, and then 3 tens. So that'd be my data set. And if you plug all that into your calculator and use your 1var statistics, you'll get these numbers. You get mean and median, the 4.71 for the mean, 4 for the median, and the standard deviation is going to be about 3.57. And your mode, you just have to figure that out. You have to look up here, what's the highest number? Well, there's 3 of them. The highest amount of the number. There's 0, 4, and 8. So you have those 3 modes. And it brings you to 6. The data set has 2 1s and a 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7 4s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a lot of 4s there. And then there's 6 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's 6 6s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And 4 7s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's 5 8s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's 6 9s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 5 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And holy cow, it's a lot of numbers. But when you take that entire data set and you plug it into your calculator and you get the mean and the median standard deviation, you get these numbers listed here, and then you're good to go. So there's the entire front side.